Glam Over Live, and I am in my mother's house. And just take a look at this is the wall pitch, the picture, a wall of pictures is what I'm trying to say. And this is us throughout the years. My oldest brother and all his family around him, his wife, um, my oldest sister, her girls, me, and my two, my son, me when I graduated from college, and my daughter, and my youngest brother, and his baby. I don't see. Oh, there's his daughter. Now, granted that all our kids are grown now, and my baby sister, years and years and years ago, two of her sons up there, the same two here, and her twins. Now, like I said, all these kids are grown with kids of their own. Most of them have kids of their own. That's me at senior prom. Oh, that's me when I was in the army. I took a picture when I was in the army. Me and my two. My baby girl when she was a baby. Where is? I don't see the picture of my son when he was a baby. I surely don't. I wonder what happened to the picture. Anyway, anyway, this is my mother's house, and like I said before, she is 78 years old, and she has collected some things over the years. So now, in addition to organizing my house and decluttering my house, she has given me permission to do her house. So this is where I'm going to start today in the gleaning closet. This is my task for the day. Now, she has never been organized. Ooh, and she has collected a lot of stuff over the years. So this is going to be a task, and it probably will take me all day. And after I get everything out of here and clean this out, I am going to go to Walmart and probably Dollar Tree to get some organizational bins. So please stay tuned.